I was talking to old Deirdre Wilkins there, right? It's a shame because she was talking about her daughter, which she would like to be a singer. And, I mean, some of us are fortunate enough to have lights of this, you know. You see it? Sure. An SM58. Every professional uses them, eh? I mean, it looks cool, eh? But, if you know what the money, I've invented the dog stick. The dog stick 57, right? So you get a kindler, just for the fire, and you get your dog's ball, right? Wait a minute. You just go into your kitchen and you'll get a roll of sellotape somewhere. Oops, it just fell at the wee hang. Oh, there's something else fell. Everyone seems to be falling at the day. Right, so all we do is we tape the dog's ball onto the kindler. Right, make sure you got it nice and tight. There we go. No much difference. And you can even, wait a minute. No, I can't plug it in, right, but you can, to make it more authentic, I've got loads of old leads, so if there's anybody out there that want to make a dog stick, 57, just give me a phone. No, there's not much of a difference. I'm going to be with you, or I'm going to be with, there's not much in it. You know, there's not really that much in it. So I look forward to hearing from you.